Wednesday, 27th March 2024. Wednesday of Holy Week. Focus. They paid him 30 pieces of silver. I gazed at Judas. Just 30 pieces of silver? Seriously? Did it take only 120 denarii, the standard wage for a day's work, to betray the Son of God? The mind boggles to think that such a paltry sum was enough to put Judas into a state of high alert. Perhaps he did not expect Jesus to be condemned, which is why he tried to return the blood money. Maybe he was not really thinking ahead. Whatever the reason, it is sad to think that Jesus was betrayed by a friend. For me, it is even sadder to realize that I betrayed Jesus for far, far less. I am expected to be like the servant described so beautifully and poetically. The Lord God has given me the tongue of those who are taught, that I may know how to sustain with a word him who is weary. He awakens my ear to hear as those who are taught, but instead of being empathic and kind like the servant, I am harsh with my words and fail to listen with compassion. Sometimes I am even cruel. The servant took the blows for me so I could be saved. This is whom I have betrayed. Fruit. I will make up for my unkindness and cruelty and my betrayal of Jesus by reaching out to others, especially those who cannot repay me.